Hello again, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's well. So, clearly we've got another Rosecraft knife for you. Nicely presented in that lovely sustainable box of theirs. Look at that. Form and function, isn't it? There you go, nice tab. Great for gifting, right? And there she is. All right. Now, I was meant to actually review this 2 months ago, or a month and a half, 2 months ago. I've been seriously busy. Let's pop this puppy out. Boom. There you go. Oh, come on. Let's look. I'm happy already. I'm feeling it. You know that feeling you get. Oh, God, that is lovely. I like the look of it online, and I just kind of had to have it. You know the feeling where you just, this is going to be one for for me and for the channel, basically. Okay, look at that. Let's give it a quick walk around, shall we? Oh, God, gorgeous. Blade energy, bang on down the middle. Lovely. No dings or dents, no damage. Look at that back spring. You can hardly see the liners. It's so well hafted. Oh, guys, this is lovely. Right, let's get into it. Nice lock up. Look at that. No gapping. Fantastic. This, my friends, is the Rosecraft Beaver Creek Barlow. Simply stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. It is. I love Barlows. It's my favourite traditional pattern. Its form and function. Okay, designed by the man himself, Andy Armstrong, fantastic fellow, and his team. Okay, look at that burnt orange bourbon bone, just gorgeous, isn't it? Come on. Oh, come on, that is lovely. Really, really nice. You know, it reminds me. Most bone coverings come from the cow, the legs of a cow, because it's quite dense. Still needs to be stabilised. However, the chevron pattern here leads me to believe this is probably from the tail, underneath the tail, where it starts to chevron out. I don't know if you've ever done bushcraft, you've done any hunting in the past. If you know, you know. Okay. What have we got similar? Anyway, so of course another sheep's foot. We got the Heine Haynes. All right, it's titanium, but the Heine Haynes Barlow with the sheep's foot. Okay, this comes in various iterations as well. And then we've got the Treblar Barlow in micarta. Look at that, another with the fat spear. Fantastic. And then, of course, we moved away from modern interpretations of traditional Barlows, and we come to a traditional Barlow. Okay, this puppy, look at that clip point. Isn't that lovely? This, of course, is the Arthur Wright & Sons Barlow. Okay. Absolutely lovely. From Britain, made in Sheffield, still even today. And my favourite budget Barlow in the world, of course, is the Taylor's Eyewitness Barlow. Look at that. Okay, I love it. But they're both very close. It's hard to choose. I had to get both. I know you understand. And of course, its big brother, this puppy, look at that, all singing and dancing in desert ironwood. Oh, come on. And a worked back spring. Is that not a thing of beauty, guys? Yeah, look at that. It's craftsmanship, all made by one man. That's what I like, yeah? Anyway, let's get this back. Sorry, I'm just not going off topic. It's all Barlows. I'm in a Barlow bonanza here today, okay? But anyway, let's get back to this puppy. And it is a lovely thing to have. This is a great budget Barlow because this is ridiculously cheap. I mean, it's a great price, very affordable. If you see one, get one. Just get it. Okay, just take from me, get it. I can tell you now already, this is going to be a 5-star knife. Okay, nice sheep's foot, great practical sheep's foot, especially for the UK market. Great for point work, all your draw cuts, rather, and opening up your packaging. Okay, and stuff like that, and parcels and whatnot. Okay, fantastic. Nice flat grind. It's going to be a good slicer. Any blade play? None, not at all. I've got a full 4-finger, of course. Lovely. Blade tang I've got on there. It's Rosecraft blades. You can probably see there. Flip her over, and of course, there you go. All right, got another tang stamp there, and I'll put that in the video as well. D2 steel. Okay, absolutely lovely. Now, that is a good quality budget steel. Okay. Now, the reason why I like D2 steel, because it's easy to maintain. It holds a decent edge. All right, it really does. It's in brushed satin steel, the blade, of course, which helps prevent finger marks. Okay. Nice half stop. Really bang on 90 degrees. Excellent. Straight into positive into place. And a good snap. Nice stick action. She breaks and pulls about 6. And the walk and talk, as you can hear, is pretty darn good. With a nice snap, okay? Just gorgeous, guys. Right, so stainless steel liners, you can see there, which helps keep costs down. Now, I'd prefer nickel silver on the bolsters, things like that. But it's all stainless steel construction, guys, which is similar, but it does keep costs down. And it's so well done. It really is so well done. It's going to be, for people that don't know, they don't know. Right? Absolutely lovely. So I don't mind that. Let me check inside. Any grit inside? No, of course not. It's clean inside. Stainless steel bolsters, of course. There you go. And pins. All right. Good transitions between the bolster and the bone. Nice flush pins. Really is. You've got a lined bolster there, of course. Now, you've got an etching on the bolster. Okay. Which I like. It's a nice emblem. It's has like a Art Deco undertones to it, but it's a nice emblem. However, Andy, if you're listening, my friend, I would like to see in the future, possibly, I would pay an extra 5, 10, 15, whatever, to see a stamp in that bolster. Yeah, I've said it. I've put it out there. Even if it's a premium range version, beautiful. Bring it on. And also, I'm liking that. It's got a swedge on here, which I forgot to mention almost. Yeah, but I quite like swedges. However, less I think is more. I would prefer a less of a swedge and more of a foot, if that makes sense. Okay. Apart from that, 5 stars. That's for me. I'm picking here. This is my personal preference. Okay. Don't take it to heart, Andy. It's a good thing because you got a great knife here. I'm really impressed with it. Okay. So thank you. I'm so happy I got it. Okay. Anyway, we move forward. Okay. It's a handsome puppy. It really is. It really is handsome. Andy and the team's done a massive, amazing job on this. It really is. Okay. Now, for me, look at that termination as well. A sign of a good knife. Sometimes they're slanted. This is bang on 90 degrees, which I love. The fit and finish, therefore, things like that. When I'm looking at a fit and finish, I look at that as well as other things. It's nice flush pins and stuff like that. And good transitions overall. Good, great hafting, no gapping at all. The fit and finish of this is 5 stars. It's fantastic. Absolutely lovely. No, Andy hasn't given me this knife. I paid for this knife. I'm telling you how it is. Okay, all right? Excellent fit and finish, okay? Is there any hot spots? None. It's a Barlow. It's the best traditional pattern for your hand. It's evolved over 100 years, and they've come up with this. And that's why it's still, today, it's still relevant, okay? If you disagree, put it in the comments and we'll have a chat. Okay? So, yeah, exceptional value for money for me. Fits like a glove in a hand. Is it sharp out of the box? Let's check this video out up here, okay, while I do the dimensions, okay. Now, basically, you got about 7.2 centimeters in the blade, which is 2 7/8 of an inch, okay. You have, it's 2, I think I've done it before. It's 2.5 mil or 0.1 of an inch, okay. Overall length for the knife itself is actually 16 centimeters, which is 6 inches and 3/8 of an inch, okay. Closed, it's 9 centimeters and 3.5 inches, okay, roughly, okay. The actual weight of this knife, now that's going to be interesting because I don't know, I like to guess it, as you may know who's watched this channel. So the weight of this is, I was going to say, fair enough, it beat me, I was going to about to say 90 grams, 85, which is pretty good. Okay, 3 ounces. So it's anything less than 3 ounces is a great EDC, or 3.5 ounces I go up to for an EDC, but 3 ounces or less even better, okay, because it's lighter, okay. So to conclude, for me, this is a very modern example on my favourite traditional pattern, as it's handsome, it's seriously handsome, it really is, okay. It's UKLegal, of course. It's a classy carry and exceptional value for money. a great gifting tool for a birthday, special occasion, or an anniversary. So, therefore, it's going to come highly recommended. And I would seriously consider 100% buying it now before they get out of stock. This is a 5-star knife. It's that simple, guys. Okay. For prices and availability, see the links below. Show your support by giving us a like and by hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp.